taste of what it sounds like now since I got the new box in. It's not too bad. Right now, I just figured I'd kind of give everybody a rundown of everything. Let everybody see what it sounds like. Not too bad. I'm loving it. So, here you go. Everybody will like new box and everything I do. So, peace out. Yeah, before everything gets too far off, I almost forgot. Wanted to show everybody how these look now in the daytime. Everything's working all fired up. Just got to get me another amp now, so I can run some more. Maybe possibly down the road get some components set up. For right now, this will work though. Peace out.